Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I'm going to announce the winner of the Tenker Q5 LED projector giveaway that I started in January that ended yesterday. Our winner, as you can see from the screen capture, is Rhonda P. She was entry 1771 out of over 2,300 entries. So I appreciate all the support that you guys are getting behind these contests. You guys are following me on Twitch. You guys are follow me on YouTube and watching my videos, and I really do appreciate that. And congrats to Rhonda P for being the winner of this particular giveaway. I will have another giveaway coming up. I have contacted Rhonda via email, and she has 48 hours to get back to me before I have to reselect a winner. So congrats to her. We'll get that projector out to her. I hope she enjoys it. She got her win by following me on Twitch. That was one of the things that you could do during the giveaway to actually enter the contest, and I do appreciate that just as much as my YouTube subscribers as well. I will have another contest coming up very shortly, so stay tuned. We're going to be giving away a Google Home. So if you have not tried a smart speaker yet, or a home-based speaker system such as the Amazon Echo or the Google Home, you have a chance to win a Google Home coming up very, very shortly. I'll probably have that video out just in a few days, maybe the beginning of next week. So stay tuned, stay notified on my channels for your chance to win a Google Home. That will be coming up very shortly. Again, congratulations to Rhonda P, and thanks again for everybody that has supported me so far. I really appreciate it. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.
Sunny day.